I am a millionaire, and I attract wealth effortlessly. I am a magnet for financial abundance, even as I sleep. I am a millionaire in my mind and in my reality. I am worthy of all the wealth the universe has to offer. I am aligned with the energy of financial freedom. I am a millionaire, and I deserve unlimited success. I am confident in my ability to attract millions. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. I am a millionaire, and I embrace my financial destiny. I am at peace knowing that abundance is my birthright. I am a millionaire, and my mind is programmed for success. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth and prosperity. I am a millionaire because I create value for others. I am a millionaire, and money flows to me effortlessly. I am living the life of a wealthy, successful individual. I am surrounded by opportunities to grow my wealth. I am a millionaire, and I am grateful for my financial blessings. I am abundant, prosperous, and financially secure. I am a millionaire, and I invest in my future wisely. I am calm and confident about my financial success. I am a millionaire because I believe in my limitless potential. I am grateful for the millions flowing into my bank account. I am a millionaire, and I manifest financial miracles every day. I am aligned with the vibration of wealth and success. I am a millionaire, and I create wealth with ease. I am worthy of living a luxurious, abundant life. I am a millionaire because I focus on abundance, not lack. I am free of any limiting beliefs about money and success. I am a millionaire, and I trust in the process of wealth creation. I am at peace knowing wealth is always on its way to me. I am a millionaire, and I welcome financial breakthroughs. I am aligned with my millionaire mindset and goals. I am open to creative ideas that bring me wealth. I am a millionaire, and I inspire others with my success. I am confident that I deserve all the wealth I desire. I am a millionaire, and financial opportunities find me easily. I am a millionaire, and I release all fear about money. I am abundant in every way, and I welcome financial overflow. I am a millionaire because I think, act, and feel wealthy. I am grateful for the financial freedom I now experience. I am a millionaire, and I trust my wealth grows every day. I am at peace, knowing millions are manifesting for me. I am a millionaire, and I am constantly creating wealth. I am open to receiving financial blessings beyond my imagination. I am a millionaire because I take inspired actions toward my goals. I am a millionaire, and my subconscious is programmed for wealth. I am worthy of unlimited abundance in my life. I am a millionaire, and money flows to me like a river. I am at peace knowing that I am financially secure. I am a millionaire, and I radiate abundance in all I do. I am abundant in wealth and opportunities every day. I am a millionaire, and I trust the universe to guide my financial path. I am relaxed and open to receiving unlimited wealth. I am a millionaire, and I release any resistance to abundance. I am aligned with my millionaire destiny. I am a millionaire, and my actions attract financial success. I am surrounded by wealth and prosperity at all times. I am a millionaire, and I celebrate every financial milestone. I am calm, knowing my wealth continues to grow. I am a millionaire because I am open to infinite possibilities. I am abundant, and my finances reflect my inner wealth. I am a millionaire, and I claim my financial freedom now. I am constantly attracting wealth and success into my life. I am a millionaire, and I feel gratitude for all my blessings. I am in perfect harmony with the flow of money. I am a millionaire, and I create wealth through inspired ideas. I am confident that money works for me effortlessly. I am a millionaire, and I attract financial abundance while I rest. I am worthy of the millions I desire. I am a millionaire, and I trust in my ability to manifest wealth. I am a millionaire because I focus on value and contribution. I am always in the right place at the right time for financial success. I am a millionaire, and I am grateful for endless opportunities. I am abundant in money, health, and happiness. I am a millionaire, and my wealth is constantly increasing. I am at peace knowing financial freedom is already mine. I am a millionaire, and my thoughts are aligned with prosperity. I am deserving of a millionaire lifestyle filled with joy and abundance. I am a millionaire, and my dreams are becoming my reality. I am abundant, and my financial success inspires others. I am a millionaire, and I release all fears about money. I am open to receiving massive wealth and success. I am a millionaire, and money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am aligned with the vibration of wealth and abundance. I am a millionaire, and I have an endless supply of resources. I am confident in my ability to create a millionaire legacy. I am a millionaire, and I choose to live a prosperous life. I am a magnet for money, wealth, and opportunities. I am a millionaire, and I trust that everything I need is on its way. I am abundant, and my financial growth knows no limits. I am a millionaire, and I am deeply grateful for my financial journey. I am worthy of receiving millions into my life. I am a millionaire, and my success is inevitable. I am abundant in wealth, opportunities, and love. I am a millionaire, and I embrace financial independence. I am attracting wealth, health, and happiness effortlessly. I am a millionaire, and I am creating generational wealth. I am aligned with the energy of limitless abundance. I am a millionaire, and I choose to focus on abundance. I am a millionaire, and I trust in the process of wealth creation. I am a millionaire, and I am thankful for every dollar I earn. I am worthy of luxury, abundance, and success. I am a millionaire, and my financial confidence grows daily. I am abundant, and my wealth supports my happiness and purpose. I am a millionaire, and I feel peaceful about my financial future. I am a millionaire, and I am filled with gratitude for my wealth. I am a millionaire, and I see abundance everywhere around me. I am a millionaire, and my life is filled with financial miracles. I am confident in my ability to handle and grow my wealth. I am a millionaire, and my financial goals are being fulfilled effortlessly. I am aligned with the energy of millions flowing into my life. I am a millionaire, and I release all doubts about money. I am surrounded by endless opportunities to create wealth. I am a millionaire, and I attract people who support my financial success. I am abundant in every aspect of my life. I am a millionaire, and wealth flows to me from expected and unexpected sources. I am a millionaire, and I am deserving of financial freedom. I am in love with the process of creating wealth. I am a millionaire, and every decision I make leads to success. I am a millionaire, and my mindset attracts massive wealth. I am a millionaire, and I give generously, knowing more is on its way. I am abundant in wealth, health, and happiness. I am a millionaire, and I am proud of the wealth I've created. I am a millionaire, and I celebrate every financial victory. I am grateful for the millions that are flowing into my life. I am a millionaire, and I am free from financial worries. I am abundant, and I trust the universe to guide me to wealth. I am a millionaire, and I am grateful for all the resources at my disposal. I am a millionaire, and I am open to receiving more wealth. I am a millionaire, and I inspire others to achieve abundance. I am abundant, and I see prosperity in every area of my life. I am a millionaire, and I am surrounded by financial blessings. I am a millionaire, and I take consistent action toward my goals. I am a millionaire, and my financial success supports my dreams. I am abundant, and I trust my wealth grows while I rest. I am a millionaire, and I am capable of achieving financial greatness. I am a millionaire, and my positive mindset attracts abundance. I am abundant, and I release all resistance to wealth. I am a millionaire, and I am excited about my financial future. I am abundant, and I know wealth flows to me in unlimited ways. I am a millionaire, and I align my thoughts with financial success. I am abundant, and I know my actions lead to financial growth. I am a millionaire, and I deserve all the abundance life has to offer. I am abundant, and I celebrate my financial freedom every day. I am a millionaire, and I am confident in my ability to achieve greatness. I am a millionaire, and I am a creator of wealth and opportunity. I am a millionaire, and I trust the process of financial abundance. I am abundant, and I embrace the journey toward financial success. I am a millionaire, and I am motivated by my dreams of abundance. I am abundant, and I see opportunities to grow my wealth everywhere. I am a millionaire, and my life is full of prosperity and fulfillment. I am abundant, and I allow myself to receive limitless wealth. I am a millionaire, and I believe in my ability to succeed. I am abundant, and I am worthy of financial independence. I am a millionaire, and I attract wealth with ease and joy. I am abundant, and I am thankful for the millions I manifest. I am a millionaire, and I attract money while I sleep. I am abundant, and I release all fear of financial lack. I am a millionaire, and I live with a mindset of prosperity. I am abundant, and I trust that wealth is my natural state. I am a millionaire, and my financial blessings multiply every day. I am abundant, and I honor the flow of money into my life. I am a millionaire, and my wealth serves my highest purpose. I am abundant, and I am constantly inspired to create value. I am a millionaire, and my actions create unstoppable momentum toward success. I am abundant, and I know my life is rich with opportunities. I am a millionaire, and I feel joy knowing my financial dreams are coming true. I am abundant, and my wealth grows effortlessly with every passing day. I am a millionaire, and I take inspired steps toward prosperity. I am abundant, and I feel peace knowing financial abundance is mine. I am a millionaire, and I deserve all the success I attract. I am abundant, and I align with the frequency of financial miracles. I am a millionaire, and I am proud of the abundance I've created. I am abundant, and I trust the universe to provide for me. I am a millionaire, and I see myself living a life of financial freedom. I am abundant, and I embody the energy of prosperity. I am a millionaire, and I am grateful for every step on my financial journey. I am abundant, and I attract wealth effortlessly and joyfully. I am a millionaire, and I deserve to live a life of luxury. I am abundant, and I give thanks for all the wealth in my life. I am a millionaire, and I am open to limitless opportunities for growth. I am abundant, and I know wealth is my natural state of being. I am a millionaire, and I take pride in my financial achievements. I am abundant, and I feel grateful for the millions I attract. I am a millionaire, and I let go of all resistance to financial success. I am abundant, and I wake up each day excited to create wealth. I am a millionaire, and my financial freedom supports my happiness. I am abundant, and I trust that wealth comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am a millionaire, and I feel secure in my financial future. I am abundant, and I am grateful for the infinite opportunities around me. I am a millionaire, and my wealth grows while I rest peacefully. I am abundant, and I believe in the limitless possibilities of my financial success. I am a millionaire, and my financial goals are always within reach. I am abundant, and I am surrounded by the energy of prosperity. I am a millionaire, and my life is a reflection of wealth and abundance. I am abundant, and I trust that the universe provides all I need. I am a millionaire, and I feel peace and joy in my financial journey. I am abundant, and my mindset creates endless wealth and success. I am a millionaire, and I am living a life of abundance and fulfillment. I am abundant in every sense of the word, and I deserve all the wealth flowing to me now. As you settle into this peaceful night, let these affirmations anchor deeply into your subconscious. Each I am statement you've embraced tonight is reshaping your reality, aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the energy of wealth and abundance. You are not just dreaming of being a millionaire, you are becoming it. With every breath, every thought, and every moment of rest, you are magnetizing opportunities, prosperity, and financial freedom into your life. Feel the calm assurance that abundance is already yours. As you drift into restful sleep, trust that the seeds of these affirmations are growing, nurturing your millionaire mindset. Tomorrow, you will wake up aligned with the power to create and attract the wealth you deserve. Remember, your journey toward financial abundance doesn't end here. It continues with every thought, every action, and every belief you hold about yourself. You are limitless. You are deserving. You are a millionaire. If these affirmations resonated with you and helped you feel inspired, please take a moment to like this video. It lets us know you want more content like this. Share it with someone who could benefit from these powerful words. And don't forget to comment below to affirm, I am a millionaire. And for more transformational content to empower your life, subscribe to our channel and join our growing community of dreamers and achievers. Sweet dreams, and may your night be as abundant as your future. You are abundant. You are limitless. Good night.